What's up, guys? EG here once again. It's been a while since I uploaded. I've been real busy. I've been working on this thing here. Pretty much swap the motor. Somebody's gonna pick it up. Eventually, funds for that put into this thing. Now, this is kind of exciting because I've actually got a bunch of new parts. Collecting, hoarding project cars, you know how they go. Here's the beauty. She's coming together and
a little bit spicy.
A lot of good stuff. So, So here's where we are so far. The transmission's all painted. We got the bolts polished up. I think it's looking pretty dope. Just gotta do a couple more. Take these out, polish them up, and then drop it. Gotta get a clutch so I can mate it with the motor, and then we can drop it in. So, but little by little, got it. Okay, so now we're all done. Got all the bolts polished up, got them all torqued down, brackets freshly painted, everything's torqued to spec. Gotta take this guy out and paint it. It's pretty much the only thing on left. Oh. Well, there you go. This is the only thing I got left to paint. I got the boot there. All the bolts polished. Now we just gotta get the clutch and made it to the motor very soon. Today, we got a new piece for the swap. Nothing major, just a little gasket. We gotta throw it on. For sure. Right, so So there we are. Give it a quick rattle can spray. Throw the suspension on and drop the car and then tighten up all the bolts and we're good to go. Super simple. So got the lower control arm and the strut tower in. Gonna have to come back out because it got some new camber arms, camber kit coming in. So just wanted to mock this up just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Too nice. Big box. Let's open it. Obviously, I opened it already. Yeah. Had to buy another one because I don't know where my original one is. And I apparently like these type of cars. So. What is it? Ooh, you know what that is. Race spec shifters by K-Tune and with the bracket to match. Sweet. So, what else do we have? What else do we have? Oh. Ooh. God damn. Shout out to K-Tunes for hooking it up with all the parts, and big shout out also to K Series Parts. They also hooked it up with a bunch of stuff. So let's get right into it. This guy right here, we've got. Ooh, yes. That's nice. Got the hardware also. Good. And yeah, we're definitely gonna install this. We do have to get some Honda Bond though, so we can install it correctly. K-Tune sticker, oh yeah. Just gonna go with the rest of them. Right, let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one. Definitely excited about this as well. Oh, yes, I had to buy another one because of the whole ordeal with the car and the previous mechanic. I got screwed out of that, but nevertheless, we digress. We got another one. It's completely labeled up for the ease, and yes, indubitably. Another K2 sticker. Oh, dual K2 stickers. Yes. Definitely need that. All right, let's go to the next one. Now this one obviously I opened up, but very important things in this particular box. So here we got the VTEC solenoid what's it called? Gasket. We got the VTEC solenoid gasket. Definitely I'm gonna change that, put everything brand new anyways. We have here also 4-bar map sensor. Yes. Because we might as well replace what we can. Also, TPS with the plug. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be sexy. That's gonna be great. Next, Stainless steel clutch line. This left-hand drive. Yes, we're left-hand drive. All right. K-tune slave cylinder. Now, I've heard I should go OEM. Probably the best way to go, but I mean, I was already there. I was in the store. I just pulled the trigger on that, so whatever. And also Honda valve cover gasket, because why not? It's looking pretty sexy right there. I like this. We got one more box, and it's gonna be my favorite box. So this one, oh shit, this one's gonna be difficult to carry. Hold on. This guy here, this guy here is the one that's definitely going to be my favorite. Let's not even show you the label, let's just open it. Oh, hello. Big old K2. Oh. I wonder what those cotter pins are for. Oh, it's a black one too. Alright. Well, what we have here, I'm gonna have to try to finagle this. Oh, come on now. Oh. Boom. That's right. We have here K-tune camber arm with the spherical bushings. There you have it. K-tune at its finest with the spherical bushing. Man, that looks good. Oof, can't wait to install these. Obviously, I'll go in depth on these as I install them, and I'm gonna have fun doing it. Gotta get to work. We got another part. This is part number, not even sure that's even relevant, but this is an AC condenser for a 96 through 2000 Civic for our K-swap. It's in there somewhere. Well, it's actually right there. K-swap. Brand new, because we live in Florida and it be a little hot sometimes, so sometimes you want to ride in the race car and get a little AC cooler, you know what I'm saying? Do a little nice. So another part to the collection. Now we gotta get it installed. Eventually. FedEx. Let's go ahead and tear this sucker open. Even though I already know what it is. Tiny box. Walboro 255. The crappy part is I gotta install it now. The filter. So yeah, a lot more fuel going in. A lot more fuel for the K. Ooh, so shiny. Made in the USA. Hell yeah. Let's get it done.